tell Mommy. What? What's going on? What?
Crystal gone.
Crystal's gone? What do you mean?
It's hiding.
She's hiding. She's not on the shelf anymore?
I'm thinking.
Go look. Where is she hiding?
Look it. Gone.
She's gone. We have to find her.
I didn't hear Santa last night.
You didn't hear Santa last night? Because Santa wasn't here, just Crystal the elf.
And my tiptoe.
She tiptoed?
I think.
I think so too.
I'm going to tell Kina Crystal's gone.
Kina's sleeping. Kinsley, Kina's sleeping. You have to find her, I guess. Look, Kina's awake now. You woke her up.
Kina, Crystal's gone. Let's go find her. Okay.
Just go pee, Kina. She in the kitchen?
Let me in my room. Come on, Kinsley. Let's go look downstairs. Let's look in the bathroom. She's here.
Kinsley. Kina found her already.
Wow. Look it. She's right there. Mommy,
What?
I want to find it.
You did find her. She's right there. She's tiptoeing. And she hit on you. Is that fun?
You can't find it.
Well, maybe tomorrow you'll be the one to find her.